Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Deli Pan front cover on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new Deli Pan front cover for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the doors. Then, pull the drawers out so that they are fully extended, tilt up, and pull out to remove. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 screws holding the front cover in place. Gently lift the front cover up, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. If you need to purchase a new Deli Pan front cover, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install the front cover, reconnect the electrical connector, align, and set into place. Reinstall the 2 screws. Finally, reinstall the drawers by aligning and pushing back into place. And that's it for this video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.